Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. Right, so let's actually dive back from where we left yesterday. And first of all, on the daily, guys, there's a bearish pattern that is forming up, and I'm talking about this bearish pattern. It's also appeared on the Bitcoin. I'm just going to give you a Bitcoin review. So this two candlestick is potentially nearly a tweezer top. So this right now is known as a tweezer top, right? So this is how they look like, and then from there you actually go to the downside. So if I do zoom in, you're going to see this sort of like a tweezer top that is already forming up. This one right over here on the daily, and the only way to get bullish once again for SLP is to go above 567. If anyhow you get above 570 and back test it and pass, you might be going to the 86 level. So unless you're not doing that, you're not going to be bullish. And yesterday we talked about the symmetrical triangle, so let's go back into the 4-hour time frame here. And yeah, the symmetrical triangle still hasn't broke to the upside, my friend, and you are finding resistance. And I'm going to tell you resistance number 1, resistance number 2, and resistance number 3 right there. You are still failing the subject, you're not passing the subject. So I'm just going to actually extend this line a little bit down here, just like something like this. And yep, so today is the last day and the decision day. Today is the day that you actually make the decision to go to the upside or the downside. Keep in mind, if you start to break out like this, then boom, that's it. You're actually going to look to go down to that technical target that I gave you previously, which is the 1.618, and we haven't actually met the technical target of the reversal wave to the downside. So that target is actually gonna be here, which is the 341. You're currently at the 53. And if you want to learn more about those tweezer tops, do check out my trading course. The link is in the description of the video. This is where the link really is. Link to the trading course. The link to the Discord link is right over here. Click on this Discord link and you're gonna join in just a tap. So it is what it is, guys. I'm still waiting for that decision to come in. Nothing big fancy stories about this update. So let's see, can you break to the downside or to the upside? We're gonna know. Yesterday I just even draw this symmetrical triangle. We are still trapped in the symmetrical triangle. Nothing has happened, but in the next 4-5 hours, 6 hours, maybe you're gonna get a move somewhere, maybe to the upside, to the downside, who knows, or until tomorrow at best, maximum time. So it is what it is, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.